subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problem of continuity. In this question, the given function is continuous at x equal to pi by 2 and we have to find f of pi by 2. As compared to previous question, this question is quite simple. The question is, if f of x is equal to root 2 minus square root of 1 plus sin x whole thing divided by cos square x, comma, for x not equal to pi by 2 is continuous at x equal to pi by 2, find f of pi by 2. Now let's see the solution. Here first of all given the f of x is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. So by using definition of continuity, we have limit x tends to pi by 2, f of x is equal to f of pi by 2. Therefore, the next step will be limit x tends to pi by 2. Now x tends to pi by 2 means x not equal to pi by 2. And for that we have defined f of x is equal to root 2 minus square root of 1 plus sin x whole thing divided by cos square x. And that equal to f of pi by 2. So since here we have radical sign in the numerator, it means we have to rationalize the numerator. Limit x tends to pi by 2 root 2 minus square root of 1 plus sin x in one bracket into rationalizing term root 2 plus square root of 1 plus sin x in the second bracket upon root 2 plus square root of 1 plus sin x into, we write cos square x by using trigonometric identity that sin square plus cos square equal to 1, and therefore cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. And entire thing is equal to f of pi by 2. Now in the numerator we use formula a minus b first bracket and a plus b second bracket. So by using H standard formula, that a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So therefore in present case we have limit x tends to pi by 2 root 2 the whole square minus square root of 1 plus sin x the whole square and totally divide by. Now here we have 1 minus sin square x. So again we use same formula, that a square minus b square, which gives us a minus b into a plus b. So similarly here 1 minus sin square x gives 1 minus sin x in one bracket and 1 plus sin x in other bracket, and then into we write root 2 plus square root of 1 plus sin x, and that whole thing is equal to f of pi by 2. Therefore, limit x tends to pi by 2. Now root 2 the whole square gives 2 minus. Then square root of 1 plus sin x the whole square. So that gives us 1 plus sin x. But because of the minus sign outside the brackets, so gives us minus 1 minus sin x upon, we write in the denominator 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x into root 2 plus square root of 1 plus sin x, and that equal to f of pi by 2. Now on simplifying further, we get limit x tends to pi by 2. Now 2 minus 1, so that gives 1 minus sin x in the numerator, and whole thing divided by 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x into root 2 plus square root of 1 plus sin x, and that equal to f of pi by 2. Therefore, limit x tends to pi by 2. Now here we cancel 1 minus sin x from numerator and 1 minus sin x from denominator. So we left with 1 upon 1 plus sin x in first bracket into root 2 plus square root of 1 plus sin x in the second bracket, and that equal to f of pi by 2. Now we have to substitute the limit as x equal to pi by 2. So therefore the next step will be 1 upon 1 plus sine of pi by 2 in one bracket into root 2 plus square root of 1 plus sine of pi by 2 in second bracket, and that equal to f of pi by 2. Now by using trigo table, as we know, sine of pi by 2 means sine 90 degree, and that gives us 1. So we have 1 upon first bracket gives 1 plus sine pi by 2, we have to write 1 in first bracket. Second bracket root 2 plus square root of 1 plus again sine 90 gives 1, and that equal to f of pi by 2. So therefore 1 upon, now first bracket that 1 plus 1 gives 2 in the denominator into second bracket gives root 2 plus root 2, that is 2 root 2, and is equal to f of pi by 2. So in this way f of pi by 2 is equal to 1 upon 4 root 2. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.